floor is set for Monday's memorial service for the late 40-year-old former Chipolo Polo Boys striker Dennis Lota to be held at the Harvest Time Dome Church in Claremont, Johannesburg. The service will be happening after 5 days of debate between Lota's family members in Zambia and those in South Africa who were debating on where to bury the former Moroka Swallows assistant coach. The South African family has, however, insisted that Lota will be buried there. But first up is the memorial service, which will be held from 19 hours to 21 hours. First President Kalusha Bwalya will be among prominent personalities to pay tribute to Lota, alongside South Africa's Premier Soccer League PSL Chief Executive Officer Brand de Villiers, Moroka Swallows owner Leon Prince, coach Zeka Marcus, Orlando Pirates boss Ivan Koza, and Zimbabwean legend Innocent Chikoya, who played alongside Lota at Swallows. Lota won 79 caps for Zambia, including 4 appearances at the Africa Cup of Nations AFCON, and notably at the 1996 edition, where he won a bronze medal with the team on his AFCON debut. Lota brought smiles to the faces of his supporters and always made scoring goals look easy, and Zambia can as well remember this beauty he scored against Egypt at the Africa Cup of Nations in South Africa.
And he finished it with some aplomb. 3-1 Zambia.
Chesampama, as Lota was affectionately known during his heyday at Orlando Pirates between 1998 and 2002, died of suspected malaria on Tuesday. Mike Mobanga, Muvi TV Sports in Lusaka.